Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is James with Geekstronomy, and this is our unboxing video of the Star Trek original series Tridimensional chess set. This is produced by the Noble Collection. This chess set is prop accurate and was actually, one of these models was used in Strange New Worlds, slightly modified. But let's open this up. I have never opened this up, so I've been very excited about this. What's cool is it does come with instructions. So if you always wanted to play three-dimensional chess, now's your chance. Here's the instruction book. I'm sure you have to have a basic knowledge of chess. These are the pieces. There are 32 pieces, as with any chess set. Everything is branded Star Trek, of course. These pieces are identical to what was used in the original series. First time this chess set was actually seen on screen was the episode Charlie X, although the first time it was actually used in Star Trek was Where No Man Has Gone Before, the second pilot. But that episode actually aired after Charlie X. And of course your pieces come in black and white. These are metal. So let's get the board out, shall we? I mean, aside from phasers and tricorders and communicators, I think the chess set is one of the most recognizable props on Star Trek. There's nothing like throwing styrofoam everywhere. I have been a Star Trek fan since I was a small child. Now there was a Star Trek chess set produced by a company called the Franklin Mint many years ago. This is larger than the Franklin Mint's version. This is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just as I'm unwrapping it, it's just beautiful. You can see on the metal base, there's the Delta shield, which in the original series was just used for the Enterprise. Each ship had their own insignia, but that has since changed. The approximate measurements are about 14 inches tall. I will have more exact measurements in the written review, which will be accompanying this. Oops. Now, the 3D chess set is actually more closely associated with Spock because he was the resident chess master, although Kirk did beat him on a regular basis. these pegs fit in. There are holes on all four sides. You can change the setup of the board. As I said, I don't play three-dimensional chess, so I'm not exactly sure of the configuration, but looks damn pretty. Also, if you remember, in the episode Whom Gods Destroy, when they go to the penal planet, they use the code Queens to Queens Level 3, which is a three-dimensional chess move. Like I said, I don't even know how to set up this board because I do not know how to play three-dimensional chess. My Uncle Bob taught me how to play regular chess when I was, I think, 7. I'm just putting random pieces, the knight, the pawn, the king, the queen, but this beautiful chess set, like I said, comes from the Noble Collection and retails for $149.99, which is, again, I mean, even much better than the price of the Franklin Mint one, which, like I said, is smaller. But this is absolutely a beautiful addition to anyone's Star Trek collection. Check out the Noble Collection, and also check out Geekstronomy at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And of course, our website, www.geekstronomy.com. I want to thank everyone for watching this unboxing video. Like I said, this is truly a thing of beauty. Live long and prosper. And stay geeky.